Yo guys, what is going on? And today we've got a bit of a different video. Today we're going to be doing a 1.4 Fsi backbox delete, or MPI, whichever one you have, same engine, just different naming for some reason. But we're going to be doing a 1.4 Fsi backbox delete, and the plan is we're going to try and do it secretly for my friend because he's a bit shook. He thinks it's going to be too loud, and obviously we'll just take the pipe. It's going to be cheap to take off anyway, so it's fine. But basically, take the pipe off, and yeah, we're going to do that, but we're going to try to do it secretly. So the plan is to try and get his keys off him without, like, just by, I don't know, saying when he gets from the car. My other friend's stalling him for like however long I need to stall him, and then we're going to get the car to the garage, get the back box taken off, and then just going to surprise him with it basically. Yeah, that's the plan. It could go horribly wrong. It could just be he finds out, I don't know, but that's the plan because it's his birthday soon, so we're going to try to do that for him. And oh yeah, it's the Polo. I don't know if you guys remember, but there's a Polo with the 1.4 Polo that has the air filter on there that I fitted. It's my mate's one, the blue one. That's been on the channel before, so if you guys haven't seen that already, I'll leave a link, or a little pop-out thing, top left. You can check that out. That's a good video, that is. But we're going to try to do that to the 1.4 Fsi. You might find out, he might not. But basically, this video is going to be a 1.4 Fsi backbox delete. And it should sound sick because it's naturally aspirated, so it should be deeper than my car, and it might have pops. I'm not sure, it might have pops though. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so we managed to get the keys. Got them on it. Got my keys out then. Yeah, so we managed to get the keys, we got them right here. His car is just here. But the garage is going to take about half an hour, something like that, because I got other cars in there, so I need to try to stall it for half an hour without him finding out. Basically, he's only going to find out when it's on the ramp, or it's already done. That's the plan, but half an hour is going to be hard to stall him for, so I might have to be once on the ramp or something. But we'll see what happens. Alright, so it's a couple of weeks later, and yeah, it didn't really work out. My mate kind of found out. Well, he didn't find out, basically. The garage took too long to get the car on the ramp, so he came before I got it on there. So we didn't manage to get it as a surprise, but we did get the exhaust, and we managed to convince him to get it done still. And yeah, you know what, I'll show you guys here right now. Show you guys how it sounds, do some drive-bys, do some revs. It actually sounds kind of sick, to be fair. It's actually really, really good for what it sounds like. It's a, you know, I'll just show you guys. I wasn't explaining it, but I'll show you guys. It's kind of sick. Okay, so that's how the Polo sounds. You guys just heard the launch them, or kind of launch, soft launch basically. Yeah, that's how it sounds. Look at this. It's actually such a nice sound, but it's just a little bit quiet, I'd say. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna go inside the car and we're just gonna get some driving clips and show you how if it drones or not. It doesn't actually drone too much. Well, it doesn't drone at all, but yeah, we'll show you. Then just launch it. Yo, the wheel spin then was stupid. There you go on, so window's kinda down. Let's do the ball. Come on, third gear. Yo, that GMO shift.
Wait until it kicks in. VTEC. Turbo. Hey! Shit! Hey! Hey!
Go through. Oh shit. You got fully to red line, fam. It actually sounds so nice. That actually sounds quite nice. It's not too drony, it's not like too loud. It could do with a bit more volume, but the tone's nice. Alright, so that was the Polo then. Let me know what you guys thought of that. It actually sounds like quite like deep. It's kind of sick. I don't know if I picked up on camera properly, but it's got like a, imagine my sound but deeper. The sound of my car but deeper. It's like that kind of sound. It's actually quite sick. And yeah, you know what? Let me know what you guys thought of that exhaust and if there's anything else that needs changing on it. Because right now it's just a Backbox delete, but possibly might do more, might not. I don't know. It depends on what my mate wants to do. But yeah. That's it then for the Polo Fsi, MPI, whatever you want to call it, Backbox delete. And yeah, remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe because I'm going to be doing some more exhaust stuff to my car next week. So that'll be a sick video as well. Trust me, it's going to be mad. And yeah, that's it then. Thanks for watching.